What's up? It's Andy here from Mr. and Mrs. Delicious, and we're so excited to bring to you this fantastic recipe. It's the vegan quinoa veggie bowl with a delicious Thai peanut sauce. It's so easy, it makes vegan look easy, and that is something to say. There's animal byproducts in pretty much everything you eat, so this thing makes vegan look easy. And it's a great way to kickstart your 2020 to have a healthy and fantastic year. The entire meal can be prepared within 15 minutes of the quinoa cooking. It's a fantastic meal, so let's get started. First thing I'll do, 8 ounces of quinoa and then 2 cups or 16 ounces of water. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my quinoa, I'm gonna put it on the stove, wait for it to boil, then once it boils, we're gonna set it to a 15-minute timer. And this is specific to the exact quinoa that we are making. Every quinoa has a little bit different cooking instructions, so make sure you follow those closely. Those are located on the bag. You don't have to have quinoa. A lot of people don't like quinoa. You can easily have rice with this meal. It's just as good. We're gonna put our quinoa on the stove, and we're gonna get it boiling as per the instructions, then we're gonna set it for a 15-minute timer. Now we're gonna prepare our vegetables. Got our garlic here, fantastic. The key with carrots is get the carrots really small. When you cut them, they're really small spears. Cucumber goes with this Thai dish just so well. It's light, it's refreshing, and it just pairs perfectly. And no amazing, delicious, vegetarian, vegan, nonetheless, meal be complete without onion. About half an onion. So we still got our red pepper to go here. Beautiful, look at that. So this is perfect for having a meal with just 2 people. Just do your portions just like about this. So we're gonna get extra firm tofu, and it's unbelievably delicious. Fried up with a little bit of olive oil, get it golden brown on top of this beautiful medley of vegetables on top of a nice hot steaming ball of rice or quinoa. Absolutely wonderful with a peanut sauce drizzle with a little bit of tang and spice to it. It'll just make your mouth water. And we're gonna use about 50 to 80 grams of firm tofu per portion. So I'm just gonna take my tofu, just gonna cut it up into decently sized bricks, cubes. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna put it in my pan. Our firm tofu. To get our finale ready here, our finito, we have a little bit of soy sauce. It is quite time consuming to make your own homemade Thai peanut sauce. So we're gonna include a couple delicious Thai peanut sauces that we love in the description, make your life a little bit easier. You can still have this fantastic meal. This Dr. Fu's Kitchen Thai coconut peanut sauce is from Costco. As our tofu is gonna cook, we're just gonna flip any pieces over that are they're not cooking. Okay, perfect. So our quinoa is done. And this quinoa is just perfect. Looks perfect, smells perfect. You'll see the little bubble holes. You wanna see if none of it's burnt on the bottom. If it's burnt at all, it's destroyed. You cannot burn it at all, it cannot stick. I never put oil, nothing in this. So, you don't want it to stick at all. Let me try. That's amazing. It's super hot. If you're cooking anyone dinner any day of the week, this is gonna impress just about anyone, and it's gonna be hit all the taste buds. We would rather go for quinoa in our bowl rather than rice, because it does have all the amino acids. It's got a little bit more nutrients in it, and quinoa has actually quite a bit of protein in it. If you don't like quinoa, I'd say pick up a different kind, give it another try. Don't let it go quite yet. But if you don't like quinoa, by all means, have rice. Rice, might even be, some rices might even be a little bit tastier. But the quinoa is loaded with nutrients, and it's absolutely just fabulous. at that tofu. How good does that look? Beautiful. We got our tofu on there. What we do, we take a little bit of this, a little bit of the soy sauce, and we take a little bit of the sweet, sweet peanut Thai sauce. We lay that on the quinoa there. Wow. A little side of some nice green edamame soybeans. Quinoa vegan power bowl. Wow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe right down there and turn your notifications on, the little bell. Right here, you're looking at 3 other amazing videos you can check out right now.